Hello and welcome back to Flame. So in today's video, we will talk about formation of wine. Before starting our today's topic, if you haven't seen our previous video, which is all about top 10 resorts in the world, so go and check it out. Link in description as well as on I button. So today we will talk about formation of wine. Before starting our today's topic, we will do a short recap. So wine is basically consumed in European countries. In many countries, doctors prefer wine as medical purpose. And the key element of making wine is grapes. So let's start our today's topic without any delays. So we will divide it into 3 parts. Part 1. Ensure you have all equipment related for making wine. Sanitizing purpose is the must key element for it. Second point. Select out your grapes, tossing out the rotten or peculiar looking grapes and wash them thoroughly and remove the stems. Third point, crush your grapes to leave juice, which is well known as must, into the fermentation container. You can do it with your hands or you can go for old school technique, which is well known as pressurizing grapes with your feet. Fourth point, add wine yeast. Fifth point, add hydrometer into the must if it is less than 1.010. Consider adding sugar. Adding sugar helps to boost low alcohol level. Fifth point, cover your primary fermentation container and leave it for 1 week to 10 days. Part 2. Gently strain liquid to remove sediment. Second point, run the juice into an airtight bottle or a container and ensure air should not be inside it. Third point, allow the juice to ferment for several weeks. Fourth point, again strain it to remove the sediment. Another point is called racking. You have to leave wine for 2 to 3 months until it looks clear. Part 3. Run the wine into a bottle and leave the space for cork. Point, insert cork. Third point, store wine upright for 3 days. Point, after 3 days, store the wine its side at ideally 55 degrees. For red wine, it can go for 1 year, and for white wine, it can go for 6 months. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button and share your family members who are interested in hospitality. So thank you, Shab Khair, good night.